Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram song unavailable. To know how to fix Instagram song unavailable, you should just go to settings here like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps here, default apps, app settings. Then in this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram. Then in this page you will go to first stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage, and here in this page you can click clear cache. After that you will click clear data, and after all that you can, when you will click clear data here, as you see, you will turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.